In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Steam, Epic Games to Battle.net/Ubisoft Connect games to Xbox app on PC. If you use multiple gaming platforms on your Windows computer, you can bring your games together in the Xbox app library. This makes it easier to view your available games from different services in one place, instead of opening each platform separately. In this video, I'll show you how to connect games from Steam, Battle.net, Epic Games, and Ubisoft Connect to the Xbox app. To begin, open the Xbox app on your Windows computer. Once the app is open, click on your profile icon located in the top area of the window. From the menu that appears, select the Settings option to access the Xbox app configuration. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Library section. Then, open the option called Library and Extensions. This section allows you to manage connections with other gaming platforms and choose which services can be shown inside your Xbox app library. In this area, you will see different gaming platforms available to connect. If you want to add Battle.net games, turn on the Battle.net option. If you have games from Epic Games, enable the Epic Games option. For Steam games, switch on the Steam option. You can also enable Ubisoft Connect if you want those games to appear in your Xbox app library. After you enable the platforms you use, the Xbox app will recognize the games available from those connected services. Once the connection is active, the games from those platforms will be added to your Xbox app library automatically. To check if everything has been added correctly, go back to the Library section in the Xbox app. You should now see your games from Steam, Battle.net, Epic Games, and Ubisoft Connect displayed together in your library. This gives you a more convenient way to view your collection and access your games from one location. Keep in mind that this only connects your game library with the Xbox app. You may still need to use the original gaming platform when opening certain games, depending on how each service manages its games. So that's how you can add Steam, Epic Games, Battle.net, and Ubisoft Connect games to the Xbox app on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,